can't fit
I'm
anyway.
getting them up there. Come on, this is my.
All right.
I would have, put them behind your back. I tried, but I couldn't figure out how to get ropes.
So Avonlea, she is the Renaissance, looks almost like an angel princess.
You should have thought
Very happy.
it.
I love flowing garments.
Did it the first time.
This is Libby Mills. So, ooh, she looks very stoic, expressionless, very unapproachable, right? Versus this guy, he looks very,
Interjected.
yeah.
Energetic. He looks happy. He looks easy to approach if you want a new dress.
He looks almost like he would like be a hero in a story or save the day. Her flowy garment.
Or be the lady that true love.
Ladies true love. Here's Micah's Renaissance art. We have some detail right here. It's
Nice.
flowy and arms at her back. I love that. Even without an expression on her face, you can tell that's Renaissance art.
I'm not good at drawing. How's that
And
now?
this is Sarah.
Good, just a little dot. My sister taught me how to draw detail, not how I draw.
So, I think, are they flip flops, Sarah? Is this the Renaissance with the flowy garment? Weird. And that's the straight, flat look of the medieval art.
Yeah.
Good job.
Oh.
Over here. Good job. All right.
I wanna see how
Allie,
it is.
Steve.
Oh my gosh. Y'all are so good. But they are, they've been working on it.
All right.
Really bad.
Anna. So we have,
Whoa. Wow.
ooh, she had flowers and lots of details. She has a necklace on and a little bitty.
And wavy hair.
Her eyes are more expression. Good job. It's really good.
It was almost supposed to be like kind of an elf interpretation. The
It's really
Renaissance
good.
reminds me of angels, honestly.
You guys a little bit. All right, Miss Luce.
Okay, I didn't finish the.
Okay.
Oh, that was really good. I really love that Renaissance.
Ooh.
Me
Her
too.
hair, it's like, when you look at her hair, what do you think is happening?
It kind of looks like
Lindsay.
Lindsay.
The wind is blowing.
It kind of looks
right?
like Lucy a little bit. Yeah.
She's flat. Very, very good. So do you see why the Renaissance period and popularity? They were probably depressed from looking at Gothic art for so long. I mean, it was called the Dark Ages, right? So they needed some emotion. They needed some light and some hope. And how fitting that the father of the Renaissance art drew scenes of Christ in the Bible. And what a spiritual awakening that could have been in and of itself. So creative people have a lot of ability to point others to Christ. Whether they use it for art,
I was
design.
thinking later I could put like a back on it.
Yeah.
So it'd be like the shoulders almost. I was thinking of a rubber.
All right, we're gonna move straight into grammar.
Oh, that looks good. That kind of looks like coming from one here. Yeah.
All right, help me get the timeline cards in order. What goes first?
Timeline. School navigation, slave trade in Africa, Taylor's printing press, songbird in Africa, the rise and the great of Russia, the Spanish Inquisition, the black sails to the Caribbean.
Where did this one go?
That one goes before Prince Henry. Yeah.
Okay, everybody agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Good job. All right. So history, tell me about Kush. So.
Did anyone else mishear some guy in Africa as some guy in Africa?
Some guy.
That's always what I heard. Until I was actually looking at the card and I realized that it wasn't just
Oh, my CC app needs to be downloaded. I guess we were gone for too long, right?
Well, you gotta do that.
Re-download it.
We already know this.
Like that app, like, so
We
it
already-
needs to be re-downloaded.
It went up. We already
I
know
was
the
gonna clear a lot of stuff off my phone.
Mom.
Oh, I was gonna say, it doesn't normally just automatically go away. Mine is still there.
Well, it was still showing it, but then I touched it and then a little.
Maybe I had to update or something. Yeah, maybe an update or something.
We already know the history.
We're gonna do math first, okay, while my CC SEC app is read only. Math liquid equivalent, the word liquid, it's not metric. A fluid ounce equals 1 cup, 2 cups equal 1 pint. Let's not sing it, let's just say it, okay? 2 pints equal 1 quart, 4 quarts equal 1 gallon. The reason I don't want you to sing it is because the song might be a little bit different than you're used to.
Liquid equivalents. A fluid ounces equal 1 cup, 2 cups equal 1 pint, 2 pints equal 1 quart, 4 quarts equal 1 gallon.
Sorry. Let's sing it all together as a class, okay?
Cycle 1 math, 13. Liquid equivalents. A fluid ounces equal 1 cup, 2 cups equal 1 pint, 2 pints equal 1 quart, 4 quarts equal 1 gallon.
Okay, Enoch, how many pints do 2 cups equal?
1.
Good job. All right, Kellyanna, how many pints equal 1 quart?
2.
All right,
I'm making the gallon house as we speak.
all right, look up at the board and sing it again. Ready?
Fluid ounces equal 1 cup, 2 cups equal 1 pint, 2 pints equal 1 quart, 4 quarts equal 1 gallon.
Good job. Look up at the board and sing it again.
8 fluid ounces equal 1 cup, 2 cups equal 1 pint, 2 pints equal 1 quart, 4 quarts equal 1 gallon.
Good job. I'm impressed.
Like I can sing that in my sleep. I made the gallon house.
Okay,
That would
pretend like
be
you're
impressive.
asleep, and can you sing it? Close your eyes, can you sing it? Go ahead, Sarah. You can do it. Everybody close their eyes, see if you can sing in your sleep, okay? Ready? 1, 2, ready, go.
8 fluid ounces equal 1 cup, 2 cups equal 1 pint, 2 pints equal 1 quart, 4 quarts equal 1 gallon.
Good
The ability
job.
of the entire class to spontaneously fall asleep and start singing is really impressive.
Well, they kind of, they weren't singing.
What a skill, that's a skill that, I could
You
see
can put that on your resume one day.
Imagine if you just started singing that song while you were sleeping.
Okay, Latin, we remember we're gonna cycle back around and learn everything that we learned last semester. We're gonna redo it again this semester, so let's jump into this. Okay, 1, 2, ready, go.
Nominative, subject, genitive, possessive, dative, indirect object, accusative, direct object, ablative, object of the preposition.
Good job. Who did not remember that?
I just remember ablative or whatever the heck that word is. So it looks like ablative. Ablative, okay, that's the one part I always forget. The part I always forget. Aside from that, I managed to remember.
Let's sing it one more time.
Nominative, subject, genitive, possessive, dative, indirect object, accusative, direct object, ablative, object of the preposition. Whenever my mom does.
I think because my board was in the.
I thought it was ablative at
I don't
first.
know why it's in the.
And maybe that eraser's just done with you.
Okay. All right, let's go ahead and jump to geography then. So today we're going to study about Africa, Western Africa.
Okay.
So get your color pencils out.
5.
So the first one will be the Atlantic Ocean. Y'all probably know this one by now.
Yeah.
So it's going to be west of Africa, the Atlantic Ocean.
Oh.
So the Atlantic Ocean is like all the way up here.
Yeah, I'm just gonna shake, not really posing type thing. Unless I have to. Yeah.
So that's the Atlantic Ocean on the west coast. And then you have the Senegal River. I remember it. Should have colored that. It's called the Senegal River. It would be, it goes through ancient Mali. Mali in Africa. Okay. You see where it says,
It's the short one.
so ancient Ghana is in the circle, but what's hard to see on this map is shaded in is ancient Mali. And starting in the west coastline is a river that comes down. Do you see that? That's the Senegal River.
So the lightly shaded is ancient Mali and the darkly shaded is ancient Ghana.
No, well, here's the thing, let me explain that to you. On this map right here, ancient Mali goes all the way to the coast, but unfortunately on this map, it does not show that. So on the CC official map, even though CC has this on their Sandbox magazine, this is shaded over the west coast, and the Senegal River is in ancient Mali. So I'm not sure where it actually ends and begins. So the Niger River is going to be, it's big
Is it the other river?
right there. Do you see the longer river?
Yes. What about that little part right there?
I'm not sure. It might
It-
go
that
down. I
has
think
to
it
be-
splits off and goes down. See, this map is different from this
But
map.
this is connected, but it has to be.
On this map, it's not connected though, so I'm not sure. I don't want to tell you the wrong thing. I know the long river is the Niger River though. If it branches off, it might possibly, I just don't know. Then the Sahara Desert.
The Sahara Desert.
Sahara
Is it the
Sahara.
dark shaded?
It is going to be, yes, all of that shaded area.
Here's all this stuff that's so big.
All of the shaded area in the middle. Sahara.
Have you ever watched Sahara? I know like madly scribbling. Yeah, we don't want to be color
A lot of desert, isn't it?
It's not so just outlined it too. Just outlined it.
No, I just scribbled the
And then
inside.
the Ivory Coast. Where do you think the Ivory Coast would be?
I don't know.
On the what?
Color.
Coast.
Who would have thought?
I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah. I think it was 2097.
Which coast?
The west coast of Africa, unfortunately, was where the slave trade, they would work the slave ships. So. Go around. Callie, would you show me where the Niger River is?
Right now.
This one? That one, the long way, good job. All right, Macy, will you show me where the Sahara Desert is? John Avonlea, will you show me the Atlantic Ocean?
I just. Then see.
There you go. I gave you the easy one, right? Diggory, show me the Senegal River. job. Enoch, show me the Ivory
That was
Coast.
really cool.
Good job. Sarah, show me the Niger River. Good job. Marie, Atlantic Ocean. Micah, show me Sahara Desert. Good job. And Libby, show me all of them on quiz you. Atlantic Ocean, Ivory Coast, Niger River. Good job, Senegal River. And
Wait, it's flip flop. Oh, this is the synagogue river. This is
oh, sorry. So, Senegal, Niger. Good job, guys.
the Niger's the long.
It might be my markers, because this isn't every single one either. I wonder if something happened to them over break.
See, isn't a lot of big things have happened over
I
there.
don't know. Markers go bad over break, you know, what can we do? All right, good job, guys. Those won't be as
Or
difficult
just
as,
be eraser being a weirdo.
my CC app is not done, it is being tested today. All right,
We already know it though. We just did some. I forgot it. This man goes along the Nile River from 2000 BC to 8350. The Berbers trade gold from Ireland all working in the desert.
all right, science. What are some parts of the geosphere? We haven't done it yet, wait for my CC app. Okay, what are some parts of the geosphere? Some parts of the geosphere are core,
Mantle, crust, hydrosphere, biosphere, and atmosphere.
So you have the earth, right? In the middle is the core. The very center of the earth, the core. And then the middle layer is called the mantle. The outer layer is called the crust. The crust is made up of soil and rock. And then you have the three spheres. The biosphere, what do you think the biosphere is made of? Okay, living and dead organisms. So not just the living things, but the dead things as well. The atmosphere, what is that made up of? Air, and then the hydrosphere.
Water.
Yeah, because you have like a hydro flask. Hydro is water, right? So hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. We have a song for that too.
Parts of the geosphere, some parts of the geosphere are core, mantle, crust, and hydrosphere, biosphere, and atmosphere. What are some parts of the geosphere? Some parts of the geosphere are core, mantle, crust, and hydrosphere, biosphere, and atmosphere.
Sing that again. Let's try this on your bridge, okay?
Parts of the geosphere, some parts of the geosphere are core, mantle, crust, and hydrosphere, biosphere, and atmosphere. What are some parts of the geosphere? Some parts of the geosphere are core, mantle, crust, and hydrosphere, biosphere, and atmosphere.
All right. To reinforce that, we're gonna play a really quick game of headband.
Headband. Oh, you're gonna get that on.
I'm going to guess which term it is. And you're gonna have to tell me how long you think it will take. 20, I can do that 20 seconds. You gotta get-
Probably like.
I'm old, I'm 43, I don't have more time, I can't even do the cards that quick.
I just realized that it's like super easy. You could just say middle, center, outer, water, air.
Or you
Like,
could, or,
these are
and
really
she could just
simple.
go through and say core, mantle, crust, hydrosphere, biosphere, atmosphere, and you get it.
Yeah, you just say everything.
Yeah, instead of putting a card on. Is it the core? Is it the basic?
So what are you saying?
The problem is-
Seconds?
The problem is she doesn't know these. She
I'm learning.
just wrote them down. She doesn't know what they are.
Yeah, but we just learned it, so we can just say center, middle, outer,
Okay.
water, air.
But do you wanna do it?
One minute. Can I I do
You
it?
want us to race and see if we could
Yeah.
stump you?
Let's give you 60
I don't want to put on my headband.
I guess you could hold it.
Well, this is fun, right?
Just hold it like my baby.
Are you saying you don't
Yeah.
want, you said you don't want any candy if I lose? Right. All right,
You
you
know,
think I can do
we
it?
should race.
So y'all said 20 seconds, right?
No.
No,
I said a minute and a half.
A minute and a half.
I think.
So
we
if
should
I
do-
get it in under a minute and a half, you don't get candy.
No, I say we should do like 30 seconds.
30
Because it'll be
seconds.
easy for her to get.
I think 20 seconds.
You think we should do 30 seconds?
Yeah.
I think
Yes.
we should just.
Yeah, 45 seconds.
Wait, guys, if she gets it over 20 seconds, then we get candy, but if she gets it under a minute.
Let's do 30 seconds, okay? Now let's do it, okay? One, set,
Go.
go. Okay, am I in the center of the earth?
Yes.
Am I the core?
Yes.
Am I a sphere?
Yes.
Am I made of water?
No.
Am I made of land or ground or
Yes.
dirt? Okay, am I,
No. Wait,
huh?
just say it.
I don't know, am I, am I the atmosphere, the biosphere?
Yes.
All right.
No, you haven't, yeah.
Am I in the middle of the earth?
No.
Am I the crust of the earth, like on the ground?
No.
Am I in the air?
No.
Am I the water?
No.
I'm not the hydrosphere?
No.
I'm not the crust?
No.
The mantle?
Yes.
I said the middle of
That's in the middle.
the earth. Okay. Am I water or a
No.
sphere?
No.
I'm not a sphere. Am I the crust?
Yes.
Okay. Am I a
Just start
sphere?
missing one. Yes.
Am I in the air?
No.
Am I water?
Yes.
Hydrosphere?
Yes.
Okay. Am I a sphere?
Yes.
Am I in the air?
Yes.
Am I the atmosphere?
Yes.
I'm terrible.
You put it in the wrong spot that You got 1 minute and 5 seconds.
Oh my goodness.
Well,
She's
in your
not better
turn,
than I would've
she's
done.
over there, you're like,
I couldn't think of that word, biosphere. Okay, well, I promised candy, right? So,
Yes, you did.
that's my promise.
Your promise is delicious.
Talk about, how many did here. Okay, so,
M&M's.
maybe get 10 each,
Whoa.
maybe.
What
I
about
don't
M&M's?
know.
What
Yeah.
I don't think I need to. Maybe like, hi. I. So
Just roundabout, you don't have to be right. Okay.
Wow.
Just get a little handful. All right, here we go.
Tell me about
Just
command.
make sure everyone has enough.
That shout. Week 13. Tell me about the Kush. The Kush mined gold along the Nile from 2000 BC to AD 350. The Berbers traded gold, iron, and salt in the desert.
Ready? All right, this is the song.
Along the Nile River from 2000 BC to AD 350, the Berbers traded gold, iron, and salt in the desert. Along the Nile River from 2000 BC to AD 350, the Berbers traded gold, iron, and salt in the desert.
Week 13. Tell me about the Kush.
I wanted
The
to put
Kush
them in
mined
the
gold along the Nile River from 2000 BC to AD.
So remember, the Nile River is right
The
here.
Berbers traded iron in the desert.
You like to say time gold along the Nile River from 2000 BC to AD.
So we're going to mine minerals today.
Really?
Kind of a way that they really did it.
My presentation was a poem or something to go along with it, or like a setting, and it's like according to Joe, Jeff likes cake, and in addition to that, he owns a snake. Except for the time he let it out in front of a pig you come back, bit on this side. Instead of school, instead of great big squeal. I don't know,
That's neat.
but I think she does it much better.
It's always like catchy because you memorize it. Okay, who wants to come up here and try
I think
to put them together? The way that it would look like is that you would do post-it instead of.
Do they have to be in order of the way
No,
that you?
uh-uh.
I'll do it.
You wanna try it?
I will.
Okay, we're gonna
We have
have
to do
three people
diagonal.
race, and then the winner gets a piece of candy. Do you wanna
Can
try it?
I'll do it last.
All right, Natalie, you wanna try it?
Can I do it? Wait, are we supposed to diagonal race their
No,
hands?
you just group them together.
They, what do you mean by that? Oh, you just do two.
Okay, go ahead, Natalie.
Oh, sure, okay.
Yeah, I saw you, I heard you first.
Wait, but there's only one instead.
Okay, are you ready? Your mark, you set, go.
Try. Everything that's wrong.
Good job, 44 seconds. So in addition to, instead of, except for, according to, out of, in front of, good
Can
job.
I do it? Making them make sense.
All right, just 1 second.
My brain was like, why is there, oh yeah, no. Okay, now I remember. Well, I don't think I would. It's okay, you did good. Dry erase.
All right,
Not a dry erase.
Sharp, where do you want to go next?
Not using
Marie,
it.
all right, go ahead, Marie.
That would be a very good.
You ready? On your mark, set, go.
According
I know how to.
I'm not.
Sorry, you
ready. Does it have to be in
No.
order? Okay. I don't know what it is. I guess I thought I said ones.
Got it. According to, instead of, in addition to, except for, in front of, and out of, good job.
It's not pretty. But you did it quickly, and you knew it.
Mine,
I was sort of thinking as I stepped them on. Yeah, I was, and I was just like, your brain just took a picture of mine, and then it just popped. No, I didn't. It didn't take a picture. I know, it's still. It remembered.
you ready? Your mark,
Okay.
set, go.
You are now disqualified.
You gotta get a little bit nearer than that.
He's trying to win. Who?
Okay.
I don't want to.
In addition to, except for, in front of, instead of,
This is
out
not
of,
an
according
order.
to.
Can I do
Okay.
it?
23 seconds.
Maybe can I decimal?
That was just.
Let me check on the time.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, we're 7 minutes over, so that was it. Good job, Mike. I know you can in there. Okay, what we're doing with presentations is we're going back to having one every week because I think Cece's goal of being prepared is the greater goal right now. You've all mastered being able to calm the nerves and get up and speak, which is awesome. But now the goal is just being prepared. And so I did not want to stray away from that goal. With that being said, we still have a challenge of having math students in less than 30 minutes to get it done. So I will focus this semester instead. The focus this semester instead is keeping you on a time limit. So when the alarm goes off, it's done. Like we have to say, you can conclude next week. If you're not done with your presentation, you can do a part two. But we have to be done in order to stay on track and get that precious break that we all love, right? So it's kind of messy up here, but I'll let you go ahead and do your presentations again the rest of the summer. And then it goes off, it's gonna be done. Who would like to go first?
I can go next. I don't care.
What we're gonna do is,
Can we
we're
go
at about 2 minutes and 15 seconds, and then we'll take 2 questions, okay? You.
Here we are. I do have this question.
You ready?
Hi, my name is Micah Smith, and today I'll be talking about Dr. Seuss. You probably know a lot about them, but there might be some you don't know. Theodore Seuss Diesel was born on March 2nd, 1904 in Springfield, Massachusetts. Even though his name is Theodore, people also called him Ted. When he was little, he loved visiting the zoo. He would come back home and draw pictures of animals all over the wall. Nobody knew what the pictures were because they were real animals. It was Ted's own creations. Like many people in Springfield at the time came from Germany. In 1914, World War I started in Europe. Many countries were fighting against Germany. The U.S. didn't start fighting until 1917. Germans were being very mistreated in America. German kids were often bullied at school. Sometimes kids threw rocks at Ted. One of Ted's favorite things to do was Boy Scouts. Ted and 9 other boys had won a contest for Boy Scouts. Theodore Roosevelt was handing out the awards. There were only 9 medals and 10 boys. Ted was the last boy. They had ran out of medals. When Theodore Roosevelt asked him what he was doing, no one said anything because he was a German. That made Ted never want to do Boy Scouts or talk in front of anyone ever again. Even after he was famous, he never gave speeches all because of that one. He didn't feel like he belonged there. He was even voted least likely to succeed. When he went there, he was writing in the school newspaper. He was in charge of doing the human part of it. But a month before graduation, Ted did something illegal. He got in trouble, and as a punishment, he couldn't write for the newspaper. So he decided to use fake names instead of his real one. He used a lot of different names, but his favorite was Seuss. Once he graduated, he decided to change his name to Theodore Dr. Seuss Diesel. As in my presentation, there will be a part 2 next week. Is there any questions?
What website did you get?
It wasn't from a website. It was from a book.
Oh,
Yeah, it's Who Was Dr. Seuss.
I'm gonna choose that.
It's so good. It talks about like how he came up with his book and something else I'm going to talk about next week. Because it's actually about real life causes like the Nazis and the real trees and it's really interesting.
Good job, Micah. All right, Callie, you wanna go next?
That's my cousin Tanner, who you can hear through the door. Anyway, hi, my name is Kathy, and today I'm going to talk about a couple things I really like about Christmas. So, on Christmas Eve, I got my Crochet Animals book, and I'm making a bunny right now, and I got Harry Potter embroidery and the Harry Potter crochet. Harry Potter. And then I got a wig to put on one of, like, to put on people so that I can do hairstyles and stuff. And when I got it, my grandfather saw it, and in front of everyone, he picked it up. It's like this wavy blonde wig, and he put it on, and then he started singing this really stupid song in front of everyone. And he was shaking his head with it on, and it fell off. But everyone was laughing, and I was laughing too, but it was also very embarrassing. But then on Christmas Day, we go to our grandparents' house. Me, my family, and then my cousins, and then a few other people.
and we go to our grandparents' house and have Christmas Day there. And always on Christmas Eve night, we have a Christmas Eve service at our church, and then like after that, our grandparents come and then give us pajamas to wear in the morning. So we have that little tradition, and then I got gel pens, which I really love, and I have been using them to color all of my middle stick pictures. And then I got a lot of things. There was like Karis got this really cool masquerade mask that I used with the wig. So I I made like this really cool cape with the mask and the masquerade mask, and then it was really cool. I was born because I didn't really have
Anybody
anybody.
have a question for her?
Yes.
What was your favorite?
Maybe when my grandfather's dog stepped on everything and drove on everything.
If you ever want to stomp on her, you're welcome to. I'll let people point from here.
I do too, and I do. And do you open all your gifts on Christmas Eve or
Christmas Day.
Good job.
We opened our part of
Lucy, are you ready?
And I got it all out from Hobby Lobby.
Spy on your shirt.
Oh, is that the
That's
name
the
of
pictures?
pictures?
Yeah.
I have one of those
This was
cheesy
your
houses
turn.
Okay.
Alright.
Hi, my name is Lucy, and today I'm going to tell you about how I decorated my room. So, first, I have a picture that I painted with my grandmother. I think I actually did a presentation on that.
Yes, you did.
And then I have a banner with all the characters of Little Women. And then I have a dresser, and then on my dresser I have a mosaic cross that I made at a summer camp, and a couple of pictures and a plant. And then I have a vanity, and I have an antique like brush and comb and mirror set. And I have an Eiffel Tower lamp, and I have a reading logo above it. So when I finish a book, I'll write the new title of the book on my reading log. And then above that, I have like a wooden plaque that has my name on it and some paper flowers. And I have a flower bed. Question? Do you have your own room? Yes.
Did you redo your room over Christmas break? Or
No.
it's just okay. Okay, you redone it. Is Little Women your favorite book?
You should read Little Men. That's what I'm reading Joe's book.
Heavenly, are you ready?
I think. No, they aren't that little.
Your room describes your personality. I love it. I can walk in your room and get to know you. You ready? All right.
My name is Emily, and today I will be presenting this box of rocks. So, my mom, she would put one type of each rock every day, starting on December 1st. So, there's these bags of polished stones. I don't want to take them out, just because it'll take forever to store them back and put them back in. If you can look at them and feel them through the bag if you like. Or just pass them. I like the color. So many. Okay. So there's a book that will tell you what each type of rock that there is. And there's also a chart. So if you don't want to find it in the book, you can just look on the chart. And then there's, in here, there's these bigger rocks. They're sort of scrambled. This one. Weird colors.
So is this like an Advent countdown kind of thing? You said you got it.
It's not used for that, but I used it for that
Oh, okay.
because I'm just I didn't find them. I just got them. Where's the bag with the pink stones? There's one on the table. Oh, here's. Ooh, this one's pretty. Oh, the black pearl. And then it came with a bag, but I was. What is this? Oh, it's already been ripped. This is pretty cool. So those I was saving for last because they're probably my most favorite. Okay. What kind of rock is this? Green. It's pirate. Full school. So these are I forgot it. These are shark teeth. Oh, I have shark teeth as well. So this one is in I never remember.
Oh, thumbs up. That was fast.
And
Alright.
sand tiger.
Our shark teeth. All right, pass your stuff up. Does anybody have a question?
Which one's your favorite? The shark teeth.
Okay. Good job.
This will only take 10 seconds.
Good. All right, Mr. Diggory. All ready for you.
I'm gonna go around this. The timer hasn't even started.
It did. Well, it did on that way. Just 'cause we
Oh,
got-
yeah. That one's
So we-
It's not gonna close it.
Are you ready?
All
right.
I guess so.
let's go.
That's really high. I'm pretty sure you already know my name. But if you don't, my name is David. Today, YouTube. I'm gonna present you one of the things I got for Christmas. So yes, it's a survival kit. It's got a bunch of stuff in it. Stuff. It's not flint and steel. It's different. Got a compass. Yes. A ferrocerium rod. Wow. It's a ferrocerium rod. Okay.
It's like, that's hard to like swap.
No, that's, yes, that's, I got a backup one. And I have 7 more back at home.
Wow.
I have a pocket bellow. It's a thing that you use to blow into your fire to help it start, yeah. I got
Burst into flame touches.
some screwdrivers.
What do you use?
I'm not sure, I just have it.
To unscrew things.
Well, there wouldn't be any screws in the tree.
Let's let Diggory's talk.
Got a whistle. I'm not gonna blow it because it is very loud. I have a flashlight.
Does it have a backup plan?
No. And a knife. Boom.
Now you're homeschooled, you can bring knives to class.
Yeah. No weapons in school of any
He's
kind.
got one in his pocket too.
Yes, I do.
Homeschooled.
A saber card.
What's that?
It's a saber card.
Okay, yeah,
I don't know what I'll use this for. So yeah. But the saw doesn't really work.
That would be an interesting thing to research and do a
All
follow-up.
right, time's up.
And a pen. A pen.
This is hard to hear, but the time is up.
That's the best part. With a glass breaker on it.
All right, anybody have a question for Diggory? One question? So
Would you like to see my other knife?
I listened to something really interesting from a Navy SEAL. He said that when a Navy SEAL had to go, he had to swim 2 miles to get under an enemy ship. Do something under the ship. I forgot what he called it. He had to kind of pull a plug or something on the enemy ship that was going to compromise the ship in some way. And he said it would be as dark as night when they got under the ship. They couldn't see anything. And the only thing that they had that got them was a compass to know exactly where in the middle of the enemy ship it was. And so only a compass and they had to go and pull some lever or something on the ship. I don't know what it was, but that was interesting how the compass is all they had. And then when you're lost in the woods, having a compass. I think that's a long lost art. We don't know how to recover. So that would be interesting to learn. Anybody else have a different question for Jerry or comment? All right, Ian, are you ready?
I do that for.
You don't have. All right, Sarah, are you ready?
Yeah. Hold on. There we go.
Do you want us to pass while you're looking for yours? Do you want to keep that?
I have it out. I just gotta find the
Oh,
thing for
okay.
it. So work. So go ahead.
All right, Marie, are you ready while Sarah's looking?
Yeah. Hold on a second. I just need to get it out. Okay. Hi, my name is Marie, and I'm going to tell you about bioluminescent phytoplankton.
Oh.
It's a very long name.
Already impressed.
These are pictures of bioluminescent phytoplankton. A big cloud? No. They glow when disturbed, and when they glow, it's called a bloom. The bloom is caused by fertilizers and other chemicals washed from farmland into the sea by rain. This feeds on these chemicals, and its nickname is sea star. The group of chemicals is called luciferins. Certain types of luciferins, when mixed together, produce an energy which excites other particles on vibrations and generate light. It is a plant. More specifically, it is an algae. They glow kind of like moon jellyfish, dragonfish, or fireflies. Any questions? Yes.
Why did you choose to do the presentation?
Because it was in my city's phytoplankton.
Okay, say it again, Lucy, let's see if you can say it.
Bioluminescent phyto.
Now, y'all go home and tell your parents if you learned about that today, and they're gonna be impressed.
Because it was in my city's spice book that me and Libby were reading earlier.
Marie loves to do the hardest named animals.
I'll do a bandicoot next week.
Wait, is that a
No,
that's
that's
an animal?
it is a plant.
She said an
It's an
animal.
algae.
Oh my.
She said an animal somewhere.
No.
I know the weapon.
Bioluminescent phyto.
It really does look like a
All right, are you ready, Sarah?
Yes, I found it.
You ready? Good
I
job.
finally found it.
Awesome. All right, come on up. All right.
My name is Sarah, and today I'll be telling you about my robot dog I got for Christmas. Now, got my robot dog for Christmas. Santa actually brought it to me. So he dances. I just don't want to turn him on, so I'll just turn him down right away.
My daughter would love that.
We need one
My
more.
baby daughter.
You can do a handstand.
Which one is love that? Oh, my
No, it actually goes up.
It's because
The collar when he fell on his face, it turned him on.
no, this did. It was the dog tag I put on.
It's funny. Okay, hurry up, 2.5 minutes.
No, he's being silly. So he dances like this. He has 3 different options for dances. He has that one. He has this one, and he has I don't even know what the tune is. But he can do a handstand.
Big place.
He just loves it so much. He can eat grass. He's so good. one of the things he does. Because he doesn't do it. So he does actually everything. He does everything an actual dog will do. I don't think that an actual dog will do a face plant or a headstand.
I have a question for Sarah.
I mean, shakes his butt
That's a
now.
talented dog. Have you named your dog?
They're so damn
Dog.
Shit.
All
Huh?
right, time is up. Another question.
Handstand.
His name should be Dog.
Handstand.
Good job. All right, thank you, Sarah.
Big plastic wagons. Does anybody have any questions? Have you ever been to Nebraska? No. No. Okay.
Do you like donut holes?
Yes.
Where did you learn it? We have a state book.
Ooh, I got a question. Can you show everybody your super cool shoes? They're so cool.
Wow.
They're so cool.
Wait, did she do those herself?
Yeah. Bootlegging for donut holes. That's awesome.
Wait, right from
Your shoes
right
are
from
really
going
cute.
from
Good
donut
job,
holes to
guess
shoes.
We got it in time. That is so good.
Yay!
Round of
Right
applause.
on time. Did we do
All right, if you can, tidy up your area, take about 20 seconds, tidy. And,
I like my bio. We read that just by
here you go. Since you all got it in time, I have exactly 9 M&Ms left. You can all have 1 M&M. And it is officially break. We have 14 minutes.
Can we go outside, please?
Let me take a picture. Temperature is 37 degrees. It's really cold. What do you think, Mama? I know they said 40 was the cutoff.
Sarah said she didn't care nothing about kid watching cold outside.
Yeah. It's super, super cold. So why don't you walk quietly to the bathroom and then come back here and eat your snack? I want to update.
I don't care.
I'm not going to get watch because it's freezing outside. Everyone here that hates cold needs to have one of my mom's shirts. Here you go.
Hey guys, just make sure you're walking quietly because I'm not with you the whole time.
Look, you like it? I can't do nothing. Look. He's got a little crown and a gold dog bone. Which this dog bone was on his draw like the outline.
I left my drink in the car, so,
yeah.
I don't have a drink.
Those that are ordering, because
That's
that's
a
for the
drink.
job. His name's Jeffy.
yeah, all the shade of the job.
Those are mine.
No, they're mine.
Okay, you're welcome.
I have to run.
Open, please.
You were done on your own.
Please.
Yeah.
Oh, I also made a gallon. That's like really big. Like, because there's 8 ounces in 1 cup, and then 2 cups in 1 cup. 2 cups in 1 quart, and then 2 cups, and then 4 cups in 1 cup.
I can calm down when I got on break.
I've used that for like.
Hey, you want me to get you a cup of ice water? Should they have a?
My grandfather sent me a video on how to build a list of guys. I haven't watched it yet. But, no, yours looks really good. Okay, I thought you asked. Maybe look at this side of yours.
No, it looks pretty much the same. I know I awkwardly brought that out, but
What?
I saw him at that.
Oh, yeah, we didn't go because, we went to my community practice was not that fun. Mic drop.
I thought it was super fun. It was just a team like. Oh my God, look at this.
Sarah will be so angry right now. Do not, no,
Gummy bear.
but Do not tell Maria I'm eating my she's gonna be so angry.
I meant to bring Maria.
She loves these
Hide
gummy
them.
bears.
I meant to bring
No, I'm
Jump
gonna.
in your mouth.
So a pack of gummy bears will probably last me like 3 hours because I'm very.
Taco Bell.
It's instant
She'll
breakfast.
be like,
Oh, yay.
my birthday!
Jeopardy. What? Oh wait, by the way, whose M&M is on the floor? I heard her. It's yours. What?
I think it's best.
Took me a long time.
This one
I'm
is.
gonna like eat its ear.
No.
She's gonna eat its ear.
You nibble it and then you suck.
Whoa. What did the bears do to deserve that?
At least they don't get
3 hours of torture. Yes, they do, because I have taken 2 bites. But can you see where I'm taking a bite? Sorry, I meant to bring this in gummy bears, but I forgot. Okay, I'm getting runs because my sister
I'm
lost
going to
the
bring a
nail
roll of
challenge.
knuckle wafers for snack time.
You started another one? No, I won one. She hasn't given it to me yet. Yeah, giving you what? I would have asked for gummy bears, but she already asked for that. Everybody take cover. Take it. The banana ones take like Thank you. Great job. Hey, you're better than that. Whoever wins takes gummy bears. Who wants to see the new Wonder cover?
I mean, it does look good on my eye. You just have to shade it.
I think my dad has delicious. Okay, I just decided to
I love Jolly Ranchers.
my brother. I helped Jolly. How old was Sydney? He did it.
How old was Cindy?
She was. Oh, India. She was 11 because she was 14 now and 17. They did have to catch up and eat it, and then they got cat, which she was. He said, not bad. I don't like it. She was 9.
Are you talking about Josh or
Name
Kim?
is what? You don't like no, we're talking about K-A. She's from. Oh wait, so her real name is Alita, but they have to call her by her code name, and she's from Kathmandu, or something like that. It's in Nepal, and they call her Cat for short because they don't want to call her Kathmandu every time they ask for your name. No, so they just call her Cat. But then there's Rio and Houston, Rio de Janeiro, and then there's Paris and Houston, and Paris, France. And then there's Brooklyn, New York, Sydney, Austria. So they're basically named after these places. Yeah! I fixed the cover. There we go. Oh, what? I'm sorry.
Very bad at it, land on my shirt.
Shove it in. I think it's beautiful. You really do it well. That's all that needs to happen. That actually kind of do it well.
Really?
I have no clue who you're talking about. Also very first one, Olivia. Are you talking about me or a person in the book?
A person in the book.
Well, Olivia is my middle name, so I didn't know if she was talking to me or about somebody in the book.
No, we weren't talking. We weren't calling you.
Well, why do you get Olivia if your first name is Martha? Or Martha. I meant Martha. I meant Martha. You know what I meant.
Yeah, I had it on yesterday. It's got a real cold.
Well, why don't we call you like?
There you go. Sorry, better. Because I was called Olivia first.
Mommy and Daddy decided to call me Martha before we choose it.
I hate cheese.
I've already decided to name my child Chicken.
I hate
And then Emma's like, please marry someone with the last name of Fence. No.
What about Ben?
It's picket fence. And it's kind of called a picket fence. But I'm naming our child Picket. That's have a great name there. Oh, no, agree. You'll have what is your last one? Are you going to agree?
Yeah.
She actually
It's
did
very
a
good.
good depiction. She actually did a very good. What is your last name?
The signs we're gonna need silly putty. If you wanna go ahead and get that out.
Ooh.
Silly putty. Everyone make it. I can take that straight out. See what kind of water does. It's kind of tough. What are we doing? Get out your stuff. How long has that gummy lasted you so far? Take a guess. Take a guess. Look. Maybe 4. I can't even tell you're writing it. I'm making mine into a ball. Everybody get up. Callie, how can you draw so? That means you do this. My grandpa, Anna,
You do I got to?
we're gonna get Anna Asher.
Anna Asher.
Guys,
Mostly my grandpa.
years and years, guys, this is much better than that. Can't you tell? I mean, that's just like more.
Handwriting is fabulous.
Look at his ball. Look, he's ready. This is the best I can draw. Look at him.
That was really cool.
Callie Anna would definitely be during the
No.
Renaissance period.
The girl.
I'm gonna find that song, by the way.
Perfect.
The Renaissance period.
This is the best I think we should name him Rocky Malawi. See, this is the best I can do. Not very. I'll put tape. I mean, I'm actually drawing something better than that. I think this person kind of looks like or a Megan. Looks like a Megan.
Thank you.
Question. When people move up to town, will they still dress up for you someday? My mom does. Wait, actually, I got a better idea. Dress up and then put as a kind. I know, but when it's dress up,
I know they didn't announce it.
I've already done it.
Caroline, I love how you diagnosed me. I love how you diagnosed me.
Hey, look, Sarah's been that way her whole life. But she's not,
go outside.
she has an OCD, but she doesn't have the cleanliness about her at all.
No, I was never like that
But
before. It's
everything's gotta
actually,
be certain.
it's actually from my age.
No clue also, I had no clue how to spell history, so I was like,
I keep focused on one thing if I know this has to be done.
I know, I just listened to that song.
It's hard for me to homeschool when there's 30 dishes in the sink, so to speak.
Part of that is, it's called back to.
I wonder.
Does it really? Well, a lot of times we're probably.
Intercross, yeah.
Oh, and that's actually how it is.
Yeah.
I think
I believe that, yeah.
There is some conflict, because I have like independent, but sometimes I'm more like the brain end of it, but it can, because it's like, you know, like you leave things out because you think you're gonna forget where it is and you put it, or whatever, so it's kind of like opposite, but
I'll go to do one thing and I'll be meeting, do this other thing, and it'll be 5 different things.
I'm a
It's like, it's never
pinball
about now.
yeah.
Do this and I'm here.
I like tiny raisins.
Like, you've been busy all day long, you feel like you've got nothing accomplished. It's
I've
like,
been
what
busy all
have
day
I
long,
done?
but I haven't covered more than 20 square feet, you know?
Yep.
But especially in adults, you know, as it's kind of like an overcompensating thing.
I feel like
Trying to
it's
manage
so much
it.
work.
There's a really good book about it. It's called, Women Educating Their
Oh.
Children.
Rolling something, I think
That was good.
I just knew there would only be like.
Well, what happens with me,
I
I
haven't
feel overwhelmed.
I haven't had,
I feel
what was it last night? Oh, my dad loves chocolate covered
I found my own way
Oh,
to organize
was it?
and structure.
I would eat
I don't like my day at all. I drink that.
Okay, I love chocolate covered caramel. That's the
And then,
especially when they're working around
Actually,
chocolate salt.
oh
my word.
I love
So it's the type of Oh,
internalized things and tune them out.
I don't
So
really like
that's kind
caramel.
of.
Pretty, I'm gonna pop
I
it.
get sensory
I just like
overload.
something like
So
My brother
if we're
Milky,
not
like,
structured
I
and
love Milky Way.
have a rhythm in the house.
But I like TV shows.
So
Salted caramel chocolate apples.
Yeah, I
I love salted caramel
volleyball.
chocolate.
So I just have to.
Are you going to volleyball? Yeah. How do you
I'm
like?
tired.
I'm
Break this shit off and relax.
I'm like a Chinese guy. What'd you say?
I'm gonna go get you on
I like
your
to fold my sleeve.
All right, you
ready?
So today is kind of a two-part science that does not really go together, but we're gonna do a little bit of it here and then move to the fellowship hall to do the other part of it. So 2 different lessons today. Andy, do you mind shutting the door, please? So I had you get your silly putty out. Does anybody not have silly putty?
My silly putty isn't very mobile.
Is it not?
It's like
Might get harder with the spray.
I don't know what happened. Can I help? Sure. Do you have a good catch? Yeah.
All right, so
Got
I
it.
need you to roll it in a ball.
Mine's a ball-ish.
Good job. Ballish is good.
Oh, we're gonna be throwing a
it's a
ball, and then it's
A ballish.
a ball. Here. Put it into a ball.
Good job. Everybody get a toothpick.
Oh,
Sarah.
wow, I'm sorry. You
Ain't
can catch
it
your
toothpick?
Let's make it.
Diggory's toothpick.
No creases are.
Avonlea, you ready for your toothpick?
Question.
There you
I
go.
am not used to flying
Lucy.
toothpicks.
Oh, we're
We don't do toothpicks at students.
If you were, that'd be a little bit weird.
Question. How do you best spies?
I
love. No, because I really didn't
try to.
We don't have like a large, They go in the
Yeah. All right, so you're gonna get your perfect little ball-ish.
No,
Ish, ballish.
not ish. Nothing. Don't set them on the table or that what's on the table will become
So
flat.
like I said, this is experiment 1 today, but there will be an experiment 2 that deals
Why are you
with,
using that?
that's what was in the bag.
It's already
Rocks and stuff.
It's
So,
already completely
What
round.
you are holding in your hand is the earth,
Really?
okay? You just made an earth.
No
Oh,
one
I
is
love
like
this.
silly
I love
putty.
this. That's destroyed.
Silly putty earth, right? All right, let's do it.
Silly putty.
Take your little toothpick and draw a line around the middle of your silly putty earth. Doesn't have to be perfect, just have a line.
Everybody look down below. We're drawing the equator. Look
Don't
out below.
steal my thunder, Livy.
What do you mean your thunder?
I get to impress you with what you're drawing.
Thunder's not.
Everybody
impressive, it's
seem
just
like you're
everything.
impressed, okay?
Wow, you got a line. That is called your equator.
Oh my goodness, I did not know that. I unfollowed my.
All right.
Oh no, why?
And then the top part of your silly putty earth, do an N. What does that stand for?
North.
Northern Hemisphere.
I know. I'm gonna be so high.
I don't know if it will do an N, but
Just gonna
just try.
a little bit. I tried. My ball is sort of a round. It looks like a burger. It doesn't.
Okay, and on the lower half, do your best S. It's okay if it doesn't show up very good. Just do your best.
And on top. Give me an
So
A.
an N on top. My kind of flatten it out.
Give me an A.
Mine is on the globe.
I guess some are
right.
The earth is
Okay,
flat.
Yeah, mine is deformed.
So
I need to restart.
look at this.
Yeah.
The earth is flat.
Hey, guys,
It never
Guys, let me
created.
remind you, this is science, so let's be teachable and it's in it, okay? Good job. Good job.
I tried, but my earth's sort of flat. Mine too, look at this.
Shh, hey, guys. All right.
Does it matter if our earth is still round at this point?
You're good. All right, just roundish is good. That's the goal, is roundish. So once you have your earth with your line and your N and your S, you're gonna take your toothpick, okay, the bottom of it. So you got your line right here. You're going to stick it through the middle. Just kind of like twist it in there so you don't flatten out your silly putty at the same time.
Kind of like a skewer
Yes.
Got it.
Where did you stick it there?
Kebab. The
So-
middle bottom.
What is this imaginary line great term.
Oh, something about time.
It's the axis. Good job. There's an axis.
Yours look like Mars.
That is what the Earth rotates on. It's an axis, okay?
Moody's looks like barbecue. Looks like a meatball.
Okay, the Earth rotates on its axis, but an interesting thing is that does it go up and down like this and rotate? What does it do? It tilts a little bit. Does anybody know the exact degree to which it tilts?
First at 90 degrees.
Okay, minus is 90 degrees. 90 degrees would look like this, right? Does it,
I'm gonna say it's like 45,
60 degrees would be like this.
30 degrees, 30 degrees.
45 degree. The answer is, the exact answer is 23.5 degrees, or it could be even more specific than that. So that's equivalent to, see this right here? It would tilt down to here. This is the axial tilt. So tilt it just a little bit like that.
Oh, wait.
Okay. So it's going to rotate on its axis like this as it travels around the sun like this.
Mine is sliding down.
Mom,
you're
so
saying never
Okay, guys, remember, no extra comments, please. Just no extra comments. So if it's tilted like this, pretend like this light is the sun, and it's traveling around, and you see how sometimes some of it's lit and the other times, when this is lit right here, that right there is not lit, so it's day and night. So when you have the sun, when you're traveling it around, what does that make possible whenever it's tilted on its side and then it travels around the sun? What happens here on Earth with the weather? It's seasons. That's what's responsible for seasons. Good job. So there's not always equal day and night depending on the tilt. There are 2 days out of the year where the Earth is exactly 12 hours of sun and 12 hours of night. Do you know what day those are?
Daylight
Not daylight savings time, but good guess though.
summer solstice and winter solstice.
Ooh, very close.
They're called
The equinoxes, which means equal night. Okay, do you know what specific days those are in the year?
So there's two.
There's one, okay. Are the days longer in the summer?
Yes.
Are the days shorter in the winter?
Yes.
So are you gonna have an equinox during the summer or winter?
No.
When are you gonna have one?
Right in the
Fall and spring. So your March equinox is March the 20th, and September 23rd is the fall equinox, where you have exact amount of daylight and night. So, since your days, you just said, are longer in the summer, what is that called? Summer solstice, and that is June 21st. And then the December solstice, where your nights are longer, is December 21st. So starting on December 22nd, it starts to get a little bit lighter each day until you reach the summer solstice. So isn't that neat how God made it? It's not that he made a mistake and it's tilted. He tilted it so that it can have the seasons and revolve around the sun. And the Bible says that there will always be seasons, right? Until Christ comes back.
My earth isn't turning. It's always day and always night.
And I can play with this. Equinox means equal night, but what does solstice mean? Something about the sun. Does anybody know what solstice means? It's 3 S's, an alliteration. 3 S's. Sun, standing still. So it's daylight even longer. Isn't that neat? Sorry about your little Earth. Thank y'all for being attentive during that.
So now we're gonna go into experiment 2, where we go to the fellowship hall to carry out this experiment. We're gonna talk about it here first. So today we learned about, what did the push do?
This might roll along the Nile River from 2000 BC to 80.
I've been learning.
High and salt in the
Good
desert.
job. So if you have a river or a stream, you have these deposits that settle on the bottom of different minerals. How do you think that gets there? Of like gold and ore and silver and different minerals. How do you think that gets to the bottom of streams and rivers?
They wash from upstream and slowly bury themselves.
Somewhat, but scientifically what's happening?
There are two more evidence.
That's what's happening scientifically.
Okay. Well, the scientific term is called a placer deposit, and it's formed by water. So first there is an erosion of an ore deposit somewhere nearby. So say you have a rock that's made up of copper and iron, and over time, as the rock is weathered, pieces of the raw metal are broken from the rock and they tumble down the river or the stream. Okay, once they're in the river, the flowing water acts to concentrate the raw metal. How does it do that? It happens because the metal is denser than the other rocks in the river. As the water flows in the river channel, it can move small stones, gravel, and sand. The faster the water, the more material the river can move. The raw metal, remember, it's denser, right? So what's it gonna do? Is it gonna move down the river?
It's gonna, but couldn't the current push it along the rocks?
It depends on if it's stronger than the density of the metal. So the raw metal, the dense metal, stays close to the river bottom and doesn't move as far or as fast as the lighter density rock. So it can move, it's probably not gonna move at the same speed. Over time, the bottom of the river channel has a higher than average concentration of the raw metal, and it's now called a placer, say placer. Placer deposit. Most placer deposits are in rivers, but there are some that are in the ocean as well, where the waves help to concentrate the ore brought in from the nearby rivers. You see on the maps where a lot of rivers deposit into oceans. So the rivers are carrying it downstream and depositing it into the ocean. So what we're gonna do is go in there today, and you're gonna be given like a cup of dirt. There's gonna be gravel in there, and we're going to be able to swirl the water so that it kind of sloshes out into the pan, where the lighter materials get out of the water and go into the pan, and the denser stuff stays in there. And we're gonna do that several times, and we're gonna see what's left, what kind of precious metals we can take home with us.
Oh, I did this.
So if you could put up your silly putty now.
Okay. My silly putty.
Now remember, when we're in there, there's another class that will be in there as well, so we want to be quiet, so we don't interrupt that
Don't
class.
be super loud. And y'all, make sure your desk is a little bit tight, so cleaning up once we come back in, we'll be a little bit faster.
The cleaner you are right now, the faster we get to play with you.
I need burritos. There you go. He's holding. I think you have lobster too. We're gonna eat it. Just in here for when I go. You have to put the silly putty back in here so we can collect it. Yeah, but that's holding the phone. What else do you hold it? Can I get my? Hi.
Remind me that.
Wow. I sucked down.
All right, let's walk in the house quietly since we have classes going on. My boots.
It's like, if you give me $100, for a second, I was like, who's sitting in my seat? But that's my seat now. Right. What did you usually sit there? I do like your frappuccino from the ocean. I normally sit there. Who sits there? Micah. Micah usually sits there and
All right. We call
I still have not finished. I'm on my second. Hey, who wants to eat the entire
So
gummy?
did you like that experience?
For eating gummy pyramid? I like it. I've done my way to save my rocks from falling out.
Anybody, anybody say
You
your-
got a frappuccino from the ocean.
I saved fool's gold and normal rocks.
I saved all of them.
No, this is,
Yeah.
yeah,
Let's not play with the class, okay?
I mean,
Get all of the carpet and stuff.
more snack, I should say.
Hey, if you did get rocks, please do not play them in the classroom. Don't touch them, don't pour on nothing. Because the floor cleaner would not like that, right? Floor cleaner? Who's your floor cleaner?
I'm the table cleaner.
Table cleaner would not like it either.
It is Diggory.
Yeah.
I forgot.
Diggs, he stayed on his. All his dudes. Hey, don't forget, you still have another one. I don't. For what? Lunch?
No. The beautiful picture is gone.
Alrighty.
We're on Magnolia table right now.
We are going to do a recap of the last 12 weeks. Alright?
It's week 13. Yeah. Going table against table?
One in the middle.
Then you're your team.
Oh, no.
I keep on thinking this is my drink.
That's
We can do teams of 3.
We're going to have 3 teams of 3.
That's what I said.
I want my own table. I would just said table versus table, but I'm in the middle.
It's easiest to split it up by location, but then some people get upset with me when I do that, because I'm like, we're all doing the same thing. So, what you want to do, teams, you want to just stay where you're at in 3, 3, and 3, or
I don't want to be the only girl. Okay, no, don't leave me. Hey, someone has to be on that team.
Somebody is
It can't just be 2 against 4 and then 3.
Or it can be a boy
and 2 girls.
Sarah, do you honestly convene it?
No.
No, I'm not letting my dog.
alright, Miss Streeter has to take control of the situation.
We're doing dice, so there's 2 teams.
I love the dance.
Alright.
3 teams. Team 1, 3, team 2.
Alright, this is what we're gonna do. This is a 3-sided dice. We're going to fill up the teams. If, like, all team 1 is already filled up, then that will be that team. Somebody else will roll a 1, then they will have to go to another team. They'll have to roll again. I'll explain it as I go.
That's not a 3-sided die.
I mean, a 3, just 3 on there.
Roll
Sometimes, guys, if you understand what I mean, but I don't say it the right way, it's still good, right? Can you shut the door, please? Okay, Marie, roll that. Libby, I'm sorry. I was looking at you. So Libby's on team 3. 3. Are you Y or I?
Y. I'm on 3 too. Oh my.
You're on team 32.
3.
Sarah, you roll?
1. So I stick right now.
Okay, Enid?
1. 2.
Okay.
Micah is on team 2.
You should roll for it.
All right, so team 1 sit right here, team 2, team 3.
Hold on, sorry, I gotta do my best at pointing this.
All
I
right.
don't know why, but it actually. Timing, admin.
All right. We're gonna have an equal weighted round, so each
Don't
team,
take my rocks.
each round, each team will get to go. So even if we run out of time, we'll finish out that round.
And
And I'm gonna go eat pizza, more pizza myself. And then this is the.
guys, let's listen to Miss Rebecca.
Okay, the way this is gonna work is that the team decides what category they want. The first round, we're gonna do weeks 1 through 6. I'm gonna roll, pass it around, and that will determine what week I ask you that question. We'll switch up and we'll do weeks 6 through 12 or 7 through 12, and then that, okay? So what, you decide together which subject you want. Why don't we let you, it's hard to always agree, so we'll just let each person decide. Do you want to just start first?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm gonna say history.
History. She wants to pick history for, I'm guessing, 1,000?
Oh, yes.
Of course.
I don't care.
Okay, and I'm gonna roll the dice. It's weeks 1 through 6. Hey, everybody sit down. Y'all have to be with them. Weeks 1 through 6. Okay, week 4. So, history week 4. Tell me about the 7 wonders of the ancient world.
Wonders of the ancient world are pyramids, Giza, and gardens of Babylon, temple of Artemis, and Ephesus, statue of Zeus at Olympia, mausoleum at Halicarnassus, Pharaoh's mountain at Antioch, Colossus of
Good
Rhodes.
job. All right, team 2. Which, Lucy?
Math.
Math for 1,000, I'm assuming. Okay. You're going to do week 4. All
Oh, we
right.
already know this.
Hold on. Can you tell me the 7?
7, 14, 21, 28, 42, 42, 77, 84, 98, 105.
Good job.
Wow.
You literally messed up one word.
I had different students.
All right,
I
team 3.
have like,
Week 2, science. And with science, answer the question back to me. I know you're going to do it. Okay. What are the living kingdoms of living things? I'm sorry. What are the kingdoms of living things?
what are the kingdoms of living things? The kingdoms of living things are Animalia, Plantae.
Wait.
No. This is Domain Kingdom. That's where the kingdom.
What are the kingdoms of living things?
No, so it's Animalia, Plantae, Fungi, Protista, Archaea, Bacteria.
That's your final answer.
Yeah,
my little.
Okay. Mom, you can't give them that look, 'cause then they
No, because they were, 2 of them said one thing and the other one said the other. That's why I have to ask them that.
Oh, yeah, it's Animalia, Plantae, Fungi, Protista, Archaea, Bacteria.
Is that your final answer?
Yes, because the what are the kingdoms of living things? Animalia. Whatever the song. I don't care what it is.
That's your final answer? 3, 2, 1. Final answer?
Yes.
Correct.
I knew it.
Well, y'all were in agreement at first, so. All right, Enoch.
Pick something you wanna do.
Remember, if you miss it, you lose those points.
Don't do geography.
English.
English for 1,000?
Okay.
We get this wrong.
It's the best of before.
So we're gonna go week 7 through 12 now. And I'm gonna roll. So it's gonna be week 8 English. And of course, it's gonna be the prepositions starting with of.
Of, off, on, to, outside.
Okay, is that your final answer?
Is there more?
Yes. I mean, no, there's not more, but is that your final answer?
Yeah.
Okay, good job.
Is that, yeah. Is there
All right,
more?
team 2, Micah. Or Vickery, I'm sorry.
Timeline.
Timeline for 1,000?
Yep.
Or Vickery, I'm sorry.
Timeline.
Timeline for 1,000?
Yep.
We're gonna do week 11. So start with East-West schism of the church.
East-West one conquest, Judaism in Europe, the Crusades, Zimbabwe, America, Africa, Aztecs in Mesoamerica, Francis Thomas Aquinas, Japan shows up, Needles of South
Is that your
America.
final answer?
Yes.
Good job. All right, team 3, Ms. Kellyanna. Are you in the middle? Okay.
Nobody's in the middle.
Latin for 1,000.
But she's on the middle seat.
We're going to be doing week 8. So, tell me the third declension noun in
Various E's, E-M-F, various E's, E-M-F, various E's, E-M-F, singular third declension is, it was ace, 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 it was plural third declension. I told you I can get it started if you did a second.
All right.
Wait, Mama, they could picture geography.
It was unbalanced. There's one thing. All right.
And then just take a ball in the geography.
Oh, it's Sarah's turn. I'm sorry. So we're going back to weeks 1 through 6.
Like, just the easiest one. Just pick the easiest one. Not the one you're best
Math. Week 2. Ooh, math. Week 2.
Ah.
Tell me the fours.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 52. No. Wait, what?
52. 56.
64, 68, 72.
Okay, you stop.
76.
You keep going and going. And going. All right, team 2.
Let's do history 500.
History 500. All
It's
right.
gonna be a three-way tie.
Week 1.
Oh!
Tell me about commandments 1 through 5.
Thou shalt not have no other gods before me, not make unto any of them, not have the name of the Lord thy God in vain. Number 7 says, keep holy, honor thy father and mother, and if you want which they would
Timeline.
Well, I know week 1. Timeline.
Timeline.
No, it's not. 1 through 5.
You know what? Week 4 will be starting with Israel's United Kingdom.
Israel's United Kingdom. Nobody. Native American. No. Hold on. I'm pretty sure it's right. Wait. Israel's divided kingdom. Early Native Americans. That's jumping very. Divided or united? Israel's divided kingdom. Israel united. I think she said united.
Okay, you're gonna start with Israel's United.
It's early Native American. I'm telling you it is.
Israel the best. Two kingdoms, Homer and Hesiod, Rome founded by Romulus and Remus. Israel falls to Assyria, Assyria falls to Babylon. Lapsa, Confucius, Buddha.
Good job. Good job.
Told you it's early.
Good job at trusting your teammates, right? All right, go back to week 7 through 12. Team 1,
Wait, hold on a
Adeline's
second.
turn.
Why are there only two flipped over?
Well, sorry.
Wait, does team do that for yet?
Everybody's tied right now.
Nobody's gonna be
Team 1, Adeline.
I think two. Let's do
Science. Science week 11. What are some parts of a flower?
Oh, parts of a flower are petal, stamen, anther, pistil, sepal.
Good.
There you go.
All right, team 2.
English 500. We discussed what was the hardest parts of a plant. English.
Daily double.
What?
So you get to bet how much you want on this. No, you can go up to your total.
No.
I can also lose that amount too.
But still, it's preposition. Let's just do so much say 1,000.
1,000.
I would do.
How'd that go?
Is it more than
Doing great.
Week 9. All right.
I don't even smell it.
Your prepositions start with out. Oh, you too. Out.
How we gonna come little boys, we have food.
You get 1 attempt. It's got it. Good job. Bring up another point. All right, team 3, you ready?
Right.
Okay, week 12, Latin. So tell me the 5th declension noun in
Singular 50 declension. Ace, Aram, Avis, Ace, Avis. Ace, Aram, Avis. Okay, we got it.
She's like, yeah, y'all can stop now.
All right, we're gonna have to do a final round.
What are you doing down there, Libby?
What? We need to get a 1,000 though.
But it's gonna be a really quick round, and then we're gonna do Final Jeopardy, okay? So go back to week 1 through 6.
Jeopardy?
Enoch, it's your turn to choose a category. Math. Week 1, tell me the 2s. Enoch.
4, 6, 18, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28,
6, 28.
24, 26. That's how twos work. He's like, look, lady. I was like, look here, lady. Sorry, I've got sleep deprivation, man. That's how I go home. I'll be like, I need that.
All right. Week 2, start with Minoans and Mycenaeans. It looks weird when you see it printed.
When I say Mycenaeans, 7 wonders of the ancient world. Hey, Jason Israel. 2000 BC, 2000 BC. Babylon, Tarshish, Ramesses,
I mean, they'll sing the whole thing for you.
They will.
They never went up to your
So that included Kush, which we learned about today. What do you think?
What is the red one? That is the red one. This is not a daily double.
The red one's in the middle. 2000. So
All of it.
Oh! Wait, the Jeopardy should be for 10,000.
All right, the way this works is you get one chance at it, so do not give me an answer until you know it.
Yeah.
Tell me about some ancient Greece.
Or do you hear the?
Homer,
I don't know what I hear.
poet. Pythagoras, a famous mathematician. Socrates, a famous philosopher. And Archimedes, a famous inventor. Shaped Western ideas. Ancient Greek city-states were among the first democracies. Jeopardy should be for 10,000.
We're gonna do Final Jeopardy. Final
I
Jeopardy
had already
is a
forgotten
question
this
that
song.
I choose in the poll. And you get to bet how much you want to bet, whether you win it or lose it. So, team one, how much you want to bet?
Wait, you're not gonna tell us the question?
No.
Of course not.
You gotta. Well, she's gonna make it be really hard. Let's say we
Yes,
lose
they can be
today.
really hard.
Come on, they can bet on this.
You ever
and
watched
they-
Jeopardy? It's
Well,
how
they
it
can
works.
lose it, they can lose it wrong. That's the way Jeopardy works, baby.
If you get it wrong, you lose points.
I say we just do 1,000 because it's really hard.
If we do 1,000, we cannot beat.
Avonlea, is there anything really hard that you can't answer?
Just big sister. I have an idea.
I don't think so.
Every bit and we'll be simple.
We're gonna lose.
Got an agreement, 3,400?
So is this teams of three?
Yes.
Okay, I see now.
1, 2, and 3. Team 1, 2, and 3.
That actually worked out great for Jeopardy. They only have 3 players.
All right, I need your answer.
Do we get to choose the subject?
Oh, no.
See? So we're still discussing.
Okay, well, we gotta get going, guys, because it's time.
5, 4,
No hints. 2,000.
2,000.
Come on, do some math, guys.
Okay, I will let you use a piece of paper and a pencil to figure this out.
It's a math.
I'm bad at track.
This is my book.
The year, okay, the Byzantine Empire, the Byzantine Emperor lasted until what year?
Like the what now?
Byzantine. Byzantine Empire. What year was it captured?
Math.
What year?
Wait, Mom, this
The
doesn't
year. You write down the date.
Wait, this is hard. What is that?
Yes.
Well, their history is not math.
Just use the corner of that.
I bet we're gonna have to add multiple. Wait, so what is it?
What year was the Byzantine Empire
What
captured?
It's gonna be in your history sentences, but you're gonna have to figure up
So
what year.
seeing in your head the history sentence about the Byzantine Empire.
But you're gonna have to figure out what year. See, y'all should have enjoyed Hangman more.
Do you have that? Okay, plus
Oh.
Oh,
the cube of 3. 3 cubed.
I need to remember what that means.
3 times 3 times 3.
So it's just 3 to the third power.
Yes.
Yes. 3 to the third power is 3 cubed.
Minus.
Uh-oh, minus, hang on.
wait.
Plus what?
Plus
Wait,
3.
Mine, okay,
Wait.
y'all have to listen, I can't repeat this.
I know, I'm
because
sorry.
can't remember.
Okay, we have it.
Okay. Minus the year that Islam was founded.
Okay, hold on a second. You have to wait for a while.
Yeah, you have to wait for a while.
Minus?
I'm gonna make y'all earn this Final Jeopardy.
That's why it's math.
The math isn't the hard part of it, it's trying to remember all the dates of history.
You better know your stuff.
What week is it on? It's the I'm pretty sure I'm not so sure. Okay.
Alright, I'll get over there.
Good. Actually, I think we have it right now.
Plus the
Wait, Mom,
year.
we haven't even done it.
If you can't remember, you can always go to my live feed and back it up. You are on camera.
Yes, you are on camera.
Got it?
No, wait, just we'll think about it later. Just write it down.
Then, hold on, there's two more. Plus the year that Augustus was crowned emperor.
Okay, we lost.
Whoever gets closest to the answer wins. How's that?
Wait, what was the question before that?
When Islam was founded.
Wait, is that plus or minus?
This right here was plus the year Augustus was crowned
Okay.
emperor.
I don't know any of these dates. This is gonna be math, but I
You are
don't
doing
know.
good. This is really stretching your brain. It's good for you though.
Wait, can you give us the tunes that Islam things? No.
I don't know the
I wasn't even Well, she asked us to give her the tune. But you weren't humming the actual tune. Yes, I was. Don't. That is not the tune. No, it is not.
I don't.
Okay, sometimes some of these things have multiple tunes, guys. I know this.
Oh, wait, please.
We have to go on.
Sometimes there's
Getting
multiple
out.
songs.
No.
Okay, divided by the
Mom,
number of
what was the
declension noun endings. How many,
Mom,
how
what
many declensions are there?
When was it?
Noun endings.
Emperor.
And then hold your final answers. It's time to share.
Wait. We're doing the math.
You're doing good.
Wait,
Rose,
Mom, what
love
was the
it.
question before this one you just said?
When it was Jeopardy,
Uh-huh.
it was,
Final Jeopardy.
when he was crowned emperor.
Oh.
Hey, baby, we have to go. I cannot keep holding her sheet. I can't keep holding it.
It's Final Jeopardy.
Can we give you our answers to math problems?
1 second.
Don't look at me.
We have it.
Divided by the number of declensions.
We have it.
All right, just 1 second.
Divided.
Yeah,
How many declensions are there?
It just came open.
Okay.
Divided?
Go sit down over there with your team.
Divide that number
I
that
know,
you have
Emily
by the
probably
number of
doesn't need help,
declensions.
but just in case.
I want one representative from the group to have a piece of paper with no pencil or writing utensil in their hand, so they do not change it.
Yeah,
Didn't
you,
stand up,
you
Evelyn?
really need to take this, recording and back up the last 5 minutes and listen to what she said.
I'm literally saying.
Because she doesn't even remember it.
I'm gonna get it. We're gonna get it. We know.
I do know the answer though.
She does know the answer, but she doesn't know exactly.
Because of my
how she told us.
calculator.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, about how. You ready?
Yeah,
Team
like,
two, you're
what-
waiting in the hallway for us.
like how she.
All right,
It's just little siblings and a mom.
stand up, review. Okay,
It's just like
stop.
how they.
Okay,
like,
team
the
one, what
numbers.
is your answer? 74. Team two, what is your answer? 166. What is your answer? 177 is the answer. Good job.
Yes.
Y'all already helped out a little bit. Y'all did really good. Good job, everybody.
Let's do a round of applause.
Evelyn, you did that by yourself,
Because
chick.
we know
Pat
that
on
the
the back.
teacher.
Because I don't
I
listen
just
to
forgot.
them.
You got it right up until like the final thing. Oh, it.
I know mine didn't help none. She guys.
Like everyone is around the class because we know the teacher is vocabulary. I'm going to put my shredded stuff in here because I was so
Big
confused.
from this.
What?
I do this.
Mine, I forgot.
Okay,
All right, do not forget your chores.